Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we'll be learning a very easy and quick recipe called sauerkraut. It's a fermented dish and it's very healthy, very nutritious and helps with digestion and your immune system. So let's get started. For this recipe we'll need a regular cabbage. Wash and rinse the cabbage and discard any damaged leaves. Then start shredding it. We need approximately 1 pound or 500 grams of shredded cabbage. To this we'll add half a tablespoon of pink salt. I recommend that you use pink salt and avoid using table salt because the table salt has a lot of additives and preservatives. Now start massaging the cabbage with your hands, squeezing the cabbage for about 5 to 10 minutes until the cabbage begins to soften and will start releasing little liquid. You could even leave the cabbage in the salt mixture aside for 30 minutes and then start massaging the cabbage. At this point, you could also add whole spices for additional flavoring like garlic, peppercorns, bay leaves or any whole spices. That's completely optional. After some time, we see little juice being released from the cabbage and the salt mixture. Keep massaging it till you have ample juice, enough to make the sauerkraut. Once there's ample juice and the cabbage has become limp, transfer the shredded cabbage to a 16-ounce mason jar. Continue packing the cabbage into the bottle as much as you can. Keep pressing it down tightly so as to eliminate any air bubbles. And also press down the cabbage so that it is completely submerged under the liquid. If you feel that the brine is less at this point, you could add half a teaspoon of salt to 1/4 cup of water and add it to the bottle. Keep pressing it down. Take a small piece of cabbage and use it to seal the shredded cabbage in the bottle and press it down. You could also add some weights to hold the cabbage in place. As you can see, the shredded cabbage is completely submerged in its own liquid. This helps with the fermentation process. Cover the bottle with a cloth or a coffee filter and keep it at room temperature on the kitchen counter undisturbed for about 2 to 4 weeks. Let's look at the sauerkraut on day 2. You could see active bubbling on top. The natural bacteria which is present on the vegetables utilize the carbs to produce lactic acid, which preserves the vegetables and gives a nice tangy flavor to it. Signs of healthy fermentation are active bubbling, cloudy brine and a strong pickly odor. This is the sauerkraut after week 1. You can see the color change, it's become yellow in color. Keep tasting in between till you get the desired tangy flavor and then you can move it to the refrigerator. So here is our homemade sauerkraut of fermented cabbage ready. Rich in probiotics, has a nice crunchy tangy flavor. You can use it as a side dish with your meals. This is the pink sauerkraut which I made from the purple cabbage. Do try them at home and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Thank you. Stay healthy, be happy.